minamahal na sekretaryo ng DSWD, Secretary Gatchalian, palakpakan natin. Si Secretary Gatchalian at sampunang kasama natin sa DSWD, second home na nila ang Manila. Lagi silang nandito sa Manila. And I'm very grateful, especially during challenging times. Kasunod-sunod ang aberya sa Manila, but we always feel that there is national government continue to look into us. Lagi tayong nililingon at tinutulungan. Yan dahil sa masipag nating Pangulo at Secretary Gatchalian. To our foreign guests who are stationed here in the country, the ADB family, sa mga kasama ninyo, sorry, my English is good only for 5 minutes. After that, finish or not finish, you pass your paper. But I would like to welcome you to the city of Manila. And we're very grateful that you opted to start the journey in Kilometer Zero. Because Manila is the starting point of everything. Especially in the early times, like in the 60s, in the 70s, our fellow Filipinos, as far as Mindanao, portion of Visayas, and some other parts of Luzon, they always wanted to go to Manila, hoping that better things will come to them.
Yes. Good morning. Salamat sa Diyos dahil patuloy tayong nabibiyayaan sa ating mga pangangailangan at liawa din ng Diyos na patuloy tayong makatawid sa kinakaharap nating pinansyal sa ating lungsod. Kaya natutuwa naman ako, hindi lang top taxpayer ang ICTSI. Top donor din natin sa lungsod ng Manila. For so many occasions and instances, ang ICTSI laging nasa likod natin. Tinutulungan tayo. Kaya tayo mga taga-Tondo, iparamdam ninyo ang mainit na pasasalamat natin sa ICTSI. Palakpakan ng malakas! Alay nyo! Baka naman! Umulit ko yan! But we are very grateful to the ICTSI family and foundation, to CRG and EGR, on behalf of the people of Manila. Thank you very much sa inyo. Napakaganda. 2 milyon higit ang kanilang tulong sa Dat Andres Bonifacio Hospital. So, our barangay officials na nandito at sa ating mga doktor, nurses, and non-medical, masaya ba kayo ng paraan? Yes! Gusto nyo ba sumaya sa Pasko ulit? Yes! Huwag kayo magala, steady lang kayo si Wendy.
Moreno. Good morning. Sa mga nag-aaral ng Tondo High School. Kaya, trivia. Meron naman sa inyo tumayo dito? Magpalatang makabayan? O magkumpas? Ayos sa Sunday, magka-aplag ceremony. And I remember me, graduate ako from 1992, Nandun yung tatay ko. So there's so many memories. Dito rin ako, unang-unang napaste. Naniniwala ba kayo na busted ako? Busted ako! But anyway, with all the memories, it's good to be home. It's good to be back. And I hope someday, sa minamahal nating principal, ating mga guro, gusto niyo ba maging parang Albert ito? Hi! Hello! See, hindi ako nagkamali, kayo ang pinili ko. Okay. Anyway, I'm happy to be here to extend something that is very important that I'm going to entrust to you because I believe in you. Meron tayong posibleng mangyari at napalibutan na nga tayo. Cebu, Samar, baka mamaya yung the big one may happen to us. Who knows? You'll never know. Is it inevitable? Yes. Question is when. But I want you to be prepared. Why did I choose high school? Grade 10, grade 12, UDM, and PLM. Lahat ng pampublikong paaralan. Why did I choose you? Because I think and I believe that you may and you can help our elders. And you may and you can help our youngsters. Tama ba? Kasi you're physically able. And the retention of acquiring knowledge, particularly in first aid,
good afternoon. Maraming salamat sa ating principal at mga teachers. Today, kasama ko ang masipag nating Vice Mayor Jay Adesa. Now, mabilis to. Why I opted to choose grade 10, 12, PLM, and UDM. Bakit kayo ang binili ko na pagkalooban ng limited resources natin? Why? Because I trust you. I trust you. I trust you because I believe you will help. You will help our elders. You will help the young ones. Because of your able body and strength and knowledge acquisition to utilize this type of tools sa panahon ng pangangailangan natin.
labanan mo si Martin Cristo. Boss, Boss! Boss! Your man! Sir! 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 Mayor, sir! Boss, ito sa naman. Poka. Poka. Atrás.
Okay, ready? Come on.
All right, thank you.
Okay. Wala daw makalusot.
Good afternoon sa inyong lahat. Pasensya na kayo kung pinagkakasya-kasya ko lang yung oras. Dahil kanina pa kami, umaga, we wanted to deliver this as soon as possible. And we wanted to, kayo yung pilot. But then again, I'm happy to see you. Kumain na ba kayo? Di ba? Huwag kayo mag-alala. Lilipas din yan. Gusto niyo ba ng Jollibee? Wala lang. Gusto niyo McDo? Ganito na lang. Dahil naghintay kayo ng matagal, bukas! Good afternoon! Kumain mo kayo? Sabi mga guro, sabi principal, kami, ako, nagpunta rito, sakit lang naman ito, upang hingin tulong ninyo. With the limited resources, I offer to choose you. Piliin ko ang grade 10 at grade 12 o senior high, PLM, UBM, dahil limitado kayo, dahil ang paniwala ko, kayo ay tutulong sa kapwa. Thank you, ma'am. Hi! Hello! Okay, thank you very much sa oras ninyo. Kumain na ba kayo? Talaga? Well, anyway, kaya ako nagpunta rito at hindi naman kaila sa atin yung nangyayari sa bansa. Tayo'y napalibutan na ng lindol. Visayas, Mindanao, Luzon. At tayo naman ay hindi napagkaitan ng impormasyon ng mga ahensya ng gobyerno, lalo na mga siyentipiko, na maaaring mangyari rin sa atin. O what they call in Metro Manila, Big One. Alam niyo na may ibig sabihin na Big One? Yung pinakamalaking posibleng lindol, hindi sa Maynila lang, itong Metro Manila. At isinaon na posible. Ito ang scary part. I just don't want you to be scared, but you know, in problem solving, may ginang lagi tayong handa. They said there is about 30 to 50,000 people may, or what you call casualty. Sino yon? Hindi ko alam. Kailan yon? Hindi ko rin alam. Pero wala na siguro pinakamabisa, tayo'y maging handa.
I want to be direct to the point already. Alam ko, busy kayo, tiniwanan ninyo yung mga hotel ninyo. Walang nagmamando ngayon doon. But, one, there are some policies that particularly with our zoning, new innovation with our policy. In the past, a lot of you, which I've been receiving complaints, although I'm just a citizen at the time, but you know, tambay ako sa mga hotel ninyo, some of your hotels, and I've been receiving bulong that you are complaining about the zoning of the zoning office of the city of Manila. The people within and the policy. Now, I would like to inform you that we have now a new director, Director Mark. Inubos ko na lahat yung mga may hilig, what you call involuntary donation.
Para kay Eddie.
Inalis ko na si Edith Patti. Now, that's one. Two, as an update, with regard to the policy, before, when you apply for zoning, you need to fill up about 22. Mark, no?
Yes, boss.
22 items.